Hello, welcome back. With the holidays right around the corner, I want to share with you 3 easy yet beautiful holiday hairstyles. Now, these looks are perfect for holiday parties, date nights, and of course, for bringing in the new year. Don't forget to let me know which of these looks is your favorite, and let's get started. First, a voluminous ponytail with all my tips and tricks. Now, for lots of volume, I love to add hair extensions. So I'm going in with a 3-clip weft, and then adding a 4-clip weft just below my temples, and finally a 2-clip weft an inch or 2 above. Now for the ponytail, take some light hold gel to tame any flyaways and tightly brush all your hair back into a low ponytail. And getting a smooth ponytail can be the most difficult part of any hairstyle. But I like to use a fine-tooth comb and finish with a bristle brush and some hairspray to smooth pesky flyaways. Next, secure, and quick tip, when securing, do not let go of the base of your ponytail. Hold it tight and pull your hair through your elastic. This will ensure your base stays nice and sleek. Okay, I have the best technique to hide your elastic. Grab a section of hair about an inch thick and coat it in gel or hairspray. Next, wrap it under your ponytail and tightly around. And once you've reached your ends, spray them with some hairspray and then lock them in place with your blow dryer. Now, curl your ponytail and you want all your curls going in the same direction. Now, to create volume without teasing, separate a thin layer at the top of your ponytail and spray your base with hairspray and then blow dry for about 10 seconds and then continue this about 4 to 5 times. Let your hair down and gently comb through your ponytail with a wide tooth comb, and you can insert 2 bobby pins straight through the middle of your elastic for extra lift. And then, since it's the holidays, it's the best time to accessorize with headbands. Next is a French twist updo, and I recently wore this to a holiday event and it was a hit. Begin by placing your thumbs behind your ears and trace upwards to the crown of your head. This will create a lot of volume on top. Pull out your face framing pieces or a piece and gently smooth the top back with your fingers. Next, hairspray the sides and smooth them back with a comb or my favorite, bristle brush. And repeat along your hairline to the hair in the back, gathering it all into a ponytail in the middle of your head. Okay, hold your ponytail in your right hand and place your index and middle finger on your left hand above your ponytail. Then tightly wrap the base of your ponytail up and over your fingers, bringing your ends to the right side. Hook your fingers on your left hand and gently twist 1 full twist counterclockwise as you bring it to the top of your head while using your right hand to keep your ends at the bottom. Now, to create that bun shape on top, just gently pull on the top of your twist, and I like to pull mine so that you can see it from the front. And with your ends, feel free to tuck them underneath. Next, secure your twist from the bottom to the top with French pins. I'll link my how-to tutorial below, and then insert some bobby pins throughout your bun to hold it in place. And to give this hairstyle that holiday feel, I added some sparkly hairpins and pearls. Next is a classic low bun with pearl detailing. So pretty. Tightly slick back all of your hair into a low ponytail, and I use the same technique from the first hairstyle. Now add a small clear elastic about 5 fingers down. This will help with the shape and securing. Next, flip your ponytail under so your elastic is against your head below the base of your ponytail, creating a small bun. Now hold this in place as you tightly twist your ends towards your head and then bringing them up and over the top of your ponytail. And then continue wrapping and twisting your ends around the bun. And if they're long, you want to wrap behind your twists as you go. Tuck your ends underneath, making sure to pin them into place first, and then continue securing all around the outside of your bun. And I will link my tutorial on how I use French pins below. Now, to make this hairstyle truly special, I added a few pearl pins around my bun, and then I used flat back pearl stickers. For the larger pearls, I added a small amount of eyelash glue and I focused them around the bun, and then I added smaller pearls throughout the rest of my hair. This was really fun. And then I locked it all in place with a shine spray. Now, I love this hairstyle. It's so pretty and unique and perfect for the holidays. So there we have it. I can't wait to hear which look was your favorite. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all your support this year. Happy holidays, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.